Kim Zolciak and Kroy Biermann file a motion to sell their house together amid a foreclosure drama. Kroy Biermann, who is divorcing Kim Zolciak for the second time, submitted paperwork on Thursday, August 31st, asking for an urgent hearing to approve the sale of the family's suburban Atlanta home, according to court records accessed by In Touch. Kroy, 37, requested that the marriage residence be sold immediately and the profits from the sale be placed in escrow in the documentation he submitted to the Fulton County, Georgia, Superior Court. The former NFL player stated, "The mortgage on the marital home is held by the lending company Truist and is held in petitioner's name alone. On the property deed, both parties' names are listed." Kim, 45, was served on August 25, but at the time of filing she had not yet submitted an answer to Kroy's petition. She has a lawyer on retainer. The former star of the television show Don't Be Tardy wants to sell the mansion in Alpharetta, Georgia, right now because over the course of the marriage the parties have incurred significant debt. When the house was scheduled to be sold at auction on March 7, 2023's foreclosure proceedings were mentioned by Kroy in February of that year. As he stated in his motion, in just the nick of time, the parties were able to avoid foreclosure and the home was taken off the auction block because of an agreement that put them on foreclosure probation, which meant that if Kroy and Kim made their mortgage payments on time for 3 months, the unpaid amount would be placed at the back of the loan and foreclosure again avoided. Kim, according to Kroy, caused financial devastation for the family, but he was able to make restitution in May and June by selling designer backpacks and other personal items. A former Atlanta Falcon claimed he begged Kim to sell some of her purses to help make the payments, but she refused, stating the purses were hers, and she was not going to sell them. Kim and Kroy are once more in danger of losing their home due to their failure to make their mortgage payment in July. On August 24th, In Touch received confirmation from documents submitted to the Fulton County Superior Court that the Montana native had filed for divorce a second time. On May 8th, both parties filed for divorce, however Kim later withdrew her application. According to Kroy's second complaint, their marriage was irretrievably broken. He asked for sole custody of their 4 youngest children, KJ, 12, Cash, 11, and twins Kaya and Kane, 9, both legally and physically, along with the sole use of their Alpharetta, Georgia, home, which they shared with Kim. Kroy also requested child support, alimony, and the right to sell the property. In his filing, the retired athlete mentioned the ex-couple's additional financial difficulties, such as the $1.1 million federal tax lien on their residence resulting from unpaid taxes in the years 2013, 2017, and 2018. Additionally, according to Kroy, the two are facing lawsuits for non-payment from various entities, including, but not limited to, BMW, Target, American Express, Saks, Capital One, and Sky Warrior. The financial status of the ex-couple, he said, was dire and will soon dramatically affect the well-being of their 4 young children. Kroy continued by saying that Kim flew to Los Angeles for some rest and relaxation during their financial difficulty. On Monday, August 28th, the former Real Housewives of Atlanta star posted a series of Instagram stories in which she could be seen sitting in first class with her daughter Brielle Biermann on a Delta flight leaving Atlanta. Kim, according to Kroy's filing, refuses to acknowledge the party's financial situation and her role in creating it.